Are we live? Hey, there we are. Hey, everyone. Happy June 1st. This is Ryan from Got Oil Supplies coming to you live on Facebook and Instagram because, of course, it is your favorite day of the month, which is the first day of the month, and we reveal our brand new subscription boxes to you guys. And so, of course, if you are watching this live, always like, comment, share these videos because we really appreciate it, and we thank you for doing that. So if you're watching live, comment. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know because we are here for you guys. We love to hear from our fans, from our customers. You can always email us, send us a message on Facebook, text us, call us. We are here for you guys, and we are super excited for June. May's over. Hey, Michelle, how you doing? So May's over. We had Mother's Day. It was awesome. June's here. It's starting to heat up. We're in the summer months. We're able to go out a little bit more. Hey, Rhonda, how are you doing? Thanks for commenting. We appreciate you watching our live videos. And so it's just a great time of the year. And Father's Day is just right around the corner. I think it's 3 weeks away, less than 3 weeks away. So we got to get ready for Father's Day. And so we always like doing something a little special in June for the dads because, men use essential oils too. It's not just for women. It's not just for children. Us guys, we like using essential oils too. And we need manly essential oil supplies. And we have done some really cool stuff in the past. So 2 years ago, I don't know if you guys remember this, 2 years ago, in June 2018 in our subscription box, we put out our Happy Camper Kit, which was super cool. I mean, camping is way fun. Our Happy Camper Kit was and still is awesome. And we put this out a couple years ago. Men loved it. It was great. Last year, June 2019, we put out our On Target collection where we brought these awesome bullet roller bottles to you guys. And so these look like little shotgun shells. Got Oil Supplies. These were just fun little roller bottles that a man would want to use, right? It's just kind of like a manly, a manly roller bottle. It's just for fun. It is not real. It is fake, and it is a roller bottle for essential oils. Super fun, right? And so this month's nothing different. We are bringing you guys a brand new product this month in our June subscription boxes, and that is our black dual fitment bottles. And so our black dual fitment bottles are amazing, and they are also super great for guys because no one wants to carry around a gold, like a guy at least. No guy wants to carry around a gold or a bright purple roller bottle. We want a matte black, awesome dual fitment bottle. And you're like, Ryan, what is a dual fitment bottle? And what it is on the top, we have a spray. And then on the bottom of the exact same bottle, if you unscrew it, it has a stainless steel roller ball. So it is both a roller bottle and a spray bottle in one, which is super cool. And so these matte black dual fitment bottles are only available in our June subscription boxes. And so if you guys want to pick up a set of these, you need to head over to GotOilSupplies.com right now and subscribe. Or if you're one of our amazing subscribers already, just be patient. We're going to get these out to you ASAP in your subscription boxes. And so these dual fitment bottles are super cool. And so let's get into the subscription box because, of course, we have new recipes, new labels, all sorts of great stuff. And let's get into what you're going to get for each and every subscription box. So first and foremost, we have our Oiler subscription box, which is only $19.95 a month. Slam deal. Great deal. $19.95, and it is great for anyone who uses essential oils. And so if you are, and I would imagine that if you are watching this Got Oil Supplies video, that you or someone uses essential oils. And so anyone can sign up for our Oiler box, which is only $19.95 a month. And inside the Oiler box for this month, you are going to get a complete set of our matte black dual fitment bottles. And so you're going to get 8 of these. 8 matte black dual fitment bottles. And of course, you're going to get our brand new label sheet and our brand new recipe sheet. Let me show you these. So, oops, sorry about that. So, you know what? I didn't even tell you what this subscription box was called. I totally forgot. This subscription box right here is called the Essential Man. So this is the Essential Man oil box, and here is the label sheet. Now, it might be a little hard to see because we made it super cool for men. All black with these. I'm going to try to hold this up so you guys can see how cool these labels are that we designed for men. Check out how cool those are. Are we good over there on Instagram? Everyone can see these? We're going to tilt these left and right. Awesome labels. So this label sheet is really cool. So you get 8 of the 1.5 inch circle labels, which you can see right here on our awesome matte black dual fitment bottles. You can see how great these labels look on these black bottles. Super cool. And then what's fun about this label sheet is each label comes with 2 different lid stickers. And so you get 8 of these big round labels, but then you get 16 lid stickers all on this one sheet. And these lid stickers look great. So like on this one end, you can kind of see the lid sticker. Which one's this one? This is the Pure Energy one. So we have this really cool design on one of the lid stickers, and then on the other lid sticker, it actually says Pure Energy. And I'm just trying to hold these up so you guys can see these because I want you guys to know how awesome these labels are. They're so fun. So you get a label sheet, the 8 bottles, recipe sheet. I had a recipe sheet right here. Where is it? Here we go. Recipe sheet. Look how cool this recipe sheet is. And this recipe sheet, chock full of information. All these recipes are on the back. And I'm going to get to the recipes too because these are some really cool recipes. Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she outdid herself this month and came up with and developed some awesome essential oil recipes just for men. So we're going to get to these. But before I do, of course, as you can see, all these nice little hole punches here on the side, all of our content, as always, is designed to fit inside of our content management system notebook. And of course, yes, we have purple and aqua, but men need the black content management system where you can put all of your essential oil content from God Oil Supplies right inside here, including your brand new label and recipe sheets right here inside this notebook. Super awesome. And so let's talk about these recipes because you're like, Ryan, what recipes would my man want? And I'm going to tell you exactly what he wants right now. So we have a tension-free recipe, which is awesome. Headaches, stress. Sometimes you just need a little support for tension. So we have a recipe for that. Stomach soothe, clear skin, pure energy. Sometimes you need a little essential oil boost in the morning. Just relax. Snore No More, which is a respiratory blend, which is kind of fun. Of course, beard oil. I mean, every man that has a beard or a goatee or a mustache needs some beard oil. Got to have some beard oil. And last but not least is the muscle soothe because, we're all out working in the yard, lifting weights, doing all of our manly chores, and our muscles get sore. So, of course, we need recipes for all of this stuff. And what's super cool is you can use each recipe either as a roller or as a spray, which is super awesome. That is why these, hey Holly, how you doing? That is why these dual fitment bottles are great. Matte black, only available in our subscription boxes. And then of course we always include like a pipette, funnel, tool, and a super surprise. Oh, there is one more thing. We're also throwing in these super awesome emoji stickers because they're black. Men love black. Kind of goes with the theme. So you're going to get one of these. So I'm going to do a recap for you guys because that was a lot of information. So our oiler boxes, great for everyone, $19.95 a month. You get 8 of our dual fitment bottles. You get one of these super cool lid sticker sheets, one of our brand new recipe sheets, super cool. One of our label sheets, and then of course you always get the pipette, the funnel, and the tool that you need for like your roller inserts. And as a surprise, you get all that for $19.95. Super awesome, right? But wait, there's more. There is absolutely more because each and every month we also put out a builder box. And so if you guys are trying to grow your essential oil business, doesn't matter if it's with doTERRA, Young Living, Amio, any of these companies out there, if you're trying to grow your essential oil business and you need essential oil supplies at a great price and you want new content to be delivered to you automatically each and every month, then you want to sign up for our Got Oil Supplies Builder Box, which is only $39.95 a month. And you're like, Ryan, $39.95 a month, that's kind of getting a little pricey. But each and every month, we give you guys at least $60 worth of value inside your Builder Box. So it's like you're getting 33% off, plus it gets shipped to you automatically, and it is a great deal. So you're getting $60 worth of essential oil supplies for only $39.95, which helps you share and grow helps you share your essential oils and grow your essential oil business. And so you'd be like, Ryan, how is this Builder Box going to do that for you? And so what you're going to get this month in your Builder Box, the Essential Man Builder Box, is we're going to give you a bunch of sampling supplies. And so you're going to get 12 of these 5 ml mini sprayers. And you know, these are great. You can throw on the lid stickers because, you know, like I said, there's 16 lid stickers on one of these sheets. Throw one of those lid stickers on one of these little sample bottles and share it. If you have a neighbor, friend, family, you make up one of these super awesome recipes that Karen designed, one of these right here. Make it up. Divide it up into some of these sample bottles and share your essential oils. Have a DIY class or a make and take class. Bring people into your home. Have them make the oils themselves and share these amazing recipes and essential oils with your friends, families, and neighbors. And so 12 of these. You're going to get 12 of these. And that's not all. We're also going to give you 12 of these sample roller bottles. And these just aren't regular sample roller bottles. These are blue because men love blue. Blue and black, awesome colors. And you can also see, we also threw a little lid sticker right here. So you're going to get a dozen of the spray bottles and a dozen of these roller bottles, which help you share your essential oils because we need supplies to share. And then we don't give you just one label sheet. We're going to give you 12. That way you can share them at your make and take classes. And then you get 12 label sheets. So you're going to get an absolute ton of labels that you can put on your sample bottles and put on all your DIYs that you share with everyone. 12 label sheets, which is huge because each one of these label sheets is worth $2.49. And then, of course, we're going to give you our brand new products, like our dual fitment bottles. So you'll get 8 of the dual fitment bottles. And you're also going to get one of our super cool black emoji lid sticker sheets. And then, of course, the pipette, the funnel, the tool, all the tools you need to help make the blends. And the surprise. The surprise is the best part of each and every box. So each and every month, we just throw something in there for you absolutely for free, just to say thank you for being one of our awesome subscribers. And so this Builder Box, again, is valued at over $60. It's only $39.95. It's available right now at GotOilSupplies.com. So if you guys want this amazing new content, the Essential Man subscription box, head over to God Oil Supplies, subscribe, and get all this new content shipped directly to your home. And then each and every month, we're going to come out with amazing new content that we're just going to ship to your home automatically to help you use your essential oils or to help you grow your essential oil business. It doesn't get any easier than that, folks. That's pretty easy. Very easy. And so that's all I have for you guys. So of course, if you, like I said at the beginning of this live, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or suggestions, anything, or you just want to say hi, you want to say hi to Ryan, you know, message us. Let us know. Comment on this video. Text us, send us an email. We are here for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this live on the 1st of June. Go tell all your friends to head over to God Oil Supplies, sign up for one of our amazing subscription boxes. And until next time, I hope everyone has a happy and safe June. Please, 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 please be safe out there and take care of one another. And so, again, this is Ryan from God Oil Supplies saying have a great June. Bye-bye.